Hi guys, if you're planning to buy the Bose Bass Module 500 Black, be sure to check out the purchase link waiting for you in the description below. A lot of people think upgrading a home theater starts with buying a bigger TV or replacing their soundbar. While those upgrades definitely help, there's another component that can completely transform the way you experience movies, music, and gaming, and that's a dedicated subwoofer. The Bose Bass Module 500 proves that you don't need a huge cabinet taking over your living room to enjoy deep, immersive bass. Right away, the design makes a strong first impression. It's compact, modern, and finished in a premium glossy black that looks elegant beside almost any entertainment setup. Instead of demanding attention, it blends naturally with your decor while still reflecting the premium quality Bose is known for. Whether it's placed beside a TV stand or tucked neatly near your entertainment cabinet, it fits comfortably without occupying unnecessary space. Once paired with a compatible Bose soundbar, the difference is obvious within seconds. Movie soundtracks instantly gain more depth, action scenes feel far more realistic, and every explosion carries extra weight without becoming overpowering. Instead of producing muddy or exaggerated bass, the Bass Module 500 focuses on clean, accurate, and balanced low frequencies that complement the rest of your audio system. This balance is one of its biggest strengths. Dialogue remains crisp and easy to understand, while background music, cinematic effects, and environmental sounds become richer and more detailed. The result is a listening experience that feels larger, more natural, and significantly more immersive than using a soundbar on its own. Music lovers will immediately notice the improvement as well. Whether you're streaming pop, rock, hip-hop, EDM, jazz, classical music, or acoustic performances, every track feels fuller and more dynamic. Bass guitars have greater presence, kick drums hit with satisfying punch, and electronic beats carry the energy they're meant to deliver, all without drowning out vocals or instruments. The sound remains clean and enjoyable even during long listening sessions. Gaming is another area where this compact subwoofer really shines. Racing games suddenly have convincing engine rumble, first-person shooters deliver more impactful explosions, and adventure games become even more immersive thanks to deeper environmental effects. It adds another layer of realism that makes every gaming session more exciting. One feature that's easy to appreciate is the wireless connectivity. Instead of dealing with long cables stretching across your room, the Bass Module 500 connects wirelessly with compatible Bose soundbars. Setup takes only a few minutes using the Bose app, making the installation process simple even for first-time users. The cleaner cable management also helps maintain a neat and organized entertainment space. Another advantage is its surprisingly compact footprint. Traditional subwoofers often require a significant amount of floor space, but Bose designed this model for modern homes where every inch matters. It fits easily into apartments, bedrooms, offices, or smaller living rooms without sacrificing impressive bass performance.